tap to pay. Sometimes when using Android enabled phone, you with Google Pay, Apple Pay, you could be out of power due to NFC or Wi-Fi being used. See, any of this stuff just takes a lot of power. So, but there are other means to pay. Contactless payment system with a symbol that looks like this, a horizontal Wi-Fi. Like Chase, also using something like this, the American Express. You can just get one of these, so this way you will not have any issues or major issues when you're trying to use your contactless payments. Make sure you store it in a safe, secure place. And also at the moment it's only on 456 train. Well, other lines are also starting to appear, I was told by some reviewers, and other places, Staten Island subway. Sorry, I mean Staten Island buses. Another issue at the moment is if you're using a bus to subway or subway to bus, if you're transferring to subway, from subway to bus, you will have a problem because there aren't any buses in Manhattan using Omni. Also, reduced fare and other things which are incorporated in MetroCard, for example, are under works, or maybe they're already working. See, like, well, this is not a reduced MetroCard, but you don't need to buy this. Let's see how it works. That's it. You can just go. For additional information, you can go to this website. So it's much more convenient to use this, and for security reason, I would just advise to get one of these cards for smaller transactions, so for peace of mind, and just use it for that. Again, thanks everyone for watching. Subscribe, share, and like.